Careers after class 12. Now this is one question which is been asked to us by many people in everywhere, so we thought ki let's make a video on this. Hey guys, this is Ghanshyam Agarwal, chartered accountant by profession, presently working in one of the big fours, and I have a 3.5 years post qualification experience after qualifying chartered accountancy. So let's get started. So what are the courses that you can think about it as a professional course? What are the courses which you think about it for a bright professional career? There are very important courses, like you have courses like chartered accountancy is there first. There is company secretary. There is a CMA, cost management accountant. ACCA is there, and then MBA you can do. So it all depends on what is your interest area. When you talk about chartered accountancy, then you have a very great means like have a great career, means you get a knowledge about each and every field, whether it's accounting or taxation or stat auditing, finance. So you get a very good exposure in almost everything that you are doing. If you want somebody who wants to build a career in finance field, then apart from chartered accountancy, you can think of considering doing a CFA. Now that can be a very good thing to do if you're doing CFA or an MBA finance. Now if you are somebody who is want to build a career in this company law and everything, then company secretary is something which can be important course for you to be done. If you're somebody who want to go into a manufacturing sector, costing and all, you have to do costing and everything. So you want to get into those side of things, then CMA is something which can be suited to you. And there are so many courses. So apart from this professional courses, it's very important that you also develop the necessary skills also. For skills, we have already made one video. We will put in the I button also, so please see that also. So that will also help you. And also you can think of doing multiple courses also at the same time. If you think that you are good in studies, then if you're doing finance, then you can do CA and CFA together, or you can do CA, CS, CMA together. Most people do it that way. So that can also, it depends on your interest area, which area you want to go in the career ahead. If you want to go in finance or costing or accounts or finance, it all depends actually on what actually is your interest area. So depending on your interest area, you should choose one course. If you take what is the best out of these courses, I feel in today's market, two courses which has a very good demand in India from Indian perspective, it is one is CA and another one is MBA finance, MBA or MBA finance or MBA. So if you are doing an MBA from a top grade colleges like IIM or even from the foreign MBA, if you are able to do, then that is definitely going to have a great boost on your resume. So two of the courses which I feel which is very relevant in today's market, one is chartered accountancy and one is MBA. And the other courses, yes, they also have they have relevance, but if you talk about the best courses which you can consider after class 12, so for me the best courses will be CA or MBA first, and other courses you can also think about it if you're really interested on it. Apart from this, also there's one course on actuary. If you're interested in the actuarial science about the valuation and everything, or how to insurance and also, that can be also one of those careers to think about it. I hope this video is a very short one. We can have a detailed on explanation on each and every course in the upcoming videos, but these are I told you a few overview about what are the courses that you can consider after class 12: CA, CS, CMA, actuary, MBA, marketing, finance, a lot of many other courses, but these are generally the courses ACCA normally which people generally do after class 12. If you like the content, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting the regular updates. We have already posted a lot of content on interview questions for job seekers, for stock market enthusiasts. We have a lot of videos which can be very useful for you, and also somebody who's giving exams, okay, for CA or IPCC or final. So we have a study plan and strategies. So hope our videos will be useful for you, and you will always try to improve the content as the days goes by with your feedbacks, with the constructive feedbacks. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye.